Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Halifax customer service. First you open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type on halifax.co.uk and enter it. And once you get inside this homepage, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here you need to select this help center. And once you reach inside this help center, you can also select this how to message us here. From here, scroll a bit down. And over here, you can also find frequently asked questions about everyday banking, product help, and other options. You can simply select any of the issue here as well if it's relatable to you. And scroll a bit down and select for your banking guides as well. And over here, you can find this online instruction and you need to simply do the same way. And you can go back again. And from here, scroll a bit down. And from here, you can find this call as icon. You need to select that. And from here, you need to scroll a bit down here, common call topics for card problems. Here, if you have any card problems, you can simply open it here and you'll get this number. And this is the telephone banking's automated service, which is available for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while advisors are generally available from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week. And that is it. That is how you can contact Halifax customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.